This video is going to walk you through the process of requesting a transcript from the MCC website. The first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to montcalm.edu. Once you're there, you'll see a navigation button for admissions. Click or tap on that. From that screen, you'll see a banner link for student services. Click or tap on that. From here, you will see an option to request a transcript near the top of the page. You'll click and tap on that. Now you will see 3 blue banner buttons. You will want to choose your transcripts option. This will take you to an external website where you can request your transcript. On this page, there's a lot of information about requesting a transcript, the process, and what it will take. Go ahead and read through that, and then scroll to the bottom and choose Order a Transcripts. Here you will enter your personal information and also information related to your student account. In the student information area, you only have to enter your student ID or your social security number. You do not have to enter both. So go ahead and enter that information now. And then we'll choose Continue. At this point, you will enter your contact information. You can choose to opt in or out for transcript request updates, and then choose Continue. Now you get to choose who you will be sending this to, whether it be a college, university, an organization, a future employer, or yourself. If you choose college or university, there's several fields that you will have to enter, which will then autofill to allow you to enter the school you will be sending this to. You also have the option to send it to a specific department, and then choose Continue. For this one, we're just going to keep it simple and send it to myself and choose that. We'll click Continue. You have a few more questions about when to process the transcript. We're going to choose after our grades are posted for this particular term. This is optional. So we'll say spring 2023. Make sure you adhere to how they want you to enter format-wise. You have some options for how you want it to be sent. We're just going to choose mail. That's a free one for this one. We're going to choose 1 copy. At this point in time, you will verify that you've read and accepted the terms and agreements. You also can add additional items to the transcript to be sent to where you're having it sent to. And you'll see at this point you have the fee. Choose Continue. And here you can enter your information or confirm your information of where it will be sent to, and you'll add it to the cart. You'll confirm the shipping address, and then you'll choose Checkout if all of it looks correct. At this point, you will give it a digital signature. Just scribble something in there, and we will accept it. Click Continue, and you'll be taken to the place where you can enter your payment information and confirm that you will submit the order, and you will be all set for having your transcript sent to you.